This countertop ice cream and slushie maker chills its own bowl, so you can go from mixing to serving frozen treats without tying up your freezer. In everyday use, it proves remarkably versatile, handling everything from soft serve and frozen yogurt to cocktails and protein smoothies with dedicated programs that actually make a difference. The multiple modes and fine-grained texture controls let you dial in anything from airy soft serve to dense, scoopable ice cream, which feels far more precise than most home machines. Its built-in chiller works quickly and runs more quietly than many compressor-style appliances, so it is practical for weeknight desserts or small gatherings. Cleanup is refreshingly simple thanks to a self-cleaning cycle and removable parts, so you are more likely to pull it out often instead of letting it collect dust. The generous family-sized capacity, clear viewing window, and soft-serve style dispenser make it especially fun for kids and guests while still feeling sturdy and well-made.